Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick speed test comparison of the OnePlus Nord CE with the original OnePlus Nord. So these are two devices in the 20 to 30k price segment, where the OnePlus Nord CE pricing starts at around 23,000 and it goes up to 28,000, while the OnePlus Nord pricing starts at around 25,000 and goes all the way to 30,000 price segment. Now these two devices have a pretty good mid-range chipset. So we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G on the OnePlus Nord CE with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, while we have the Snapdragon 765G on the OnePlus Nord with again 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. Now Android version is 11 on both the devices. Oxygen OS is 11.1 on the OnePlus Nord, while it's 11.0.1 on the OnePlus Nord CE. Now you have to consider that OnePlus Nord is almost a year-old device, so multiple updates have come in the past almost 1 year. So it might have slowed down a bit, while the OnePlus Nord CE is a new device, so that impact will always be there. So let's just clear off all the background apps. So there you go, we have cleared off all the background apps, and let's see the here connections. So both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, both are in airplane mode. So again similar settings here. So let's start the speed test. So once again clearing of all the background apps. So there you go. So let's start the speed test with Asphalt 9. So let's see which is able to load Asphalt 9 faster. Now both of the devices have the game mode enabled. So Snapdragon 765G versus the Snapdragon 750G. So quite similar. We have actually done a comparison video of how the 750G compares with the Snapdragon 765G. So in case you have not watched that, do check out our channel. We have it in the channel uploaded quite some time back. So here you can see that the OnePlus Nord takes the lead. OnePlus Nord CE is in the far behind. Next would be Temple Run. So let's see which is able to load Temple Run faster. So once again OnePlus Nord takes the lead. Nord CE is slightly slower. Play Store, again Nord takes the lead. Chrome browser, here also you can see here OnePlus Nord is faster than the Nord CE. Facebook, again Nord is faster. Twitter, Nord is faster. Instagram, again Nord is faster. Gaana. So here you can see that Nord CE was slightly faster. Again here the ad was loading. Amazon, almost same time probably. Flipkart, Nord is faster once again. File Manager, slightly faster was CE. Settings, again Nord is faster. YouTube, again Nord is faster. Gmail, Nord is faster. Camera, CE is faster. And finally Maps. So most of the, almost same time, although Nord was faster. So you could see that OnePlus Nord does have an advantage, even though it's an older chipset. It is faster than the OnePlus Nord CE launched right now in terms of app opening. So there isn't much of a significant difference in terms of performance. Both did a really good job here in terms of app opening, and slightly faster was definitely the OnePlus Nord. Now next is the memory management test. So Maps both have retained. Camera is retained. Gmail is retained. YouTube is retained. Settings, File Manager, Flipkart, Amazon, Gaana, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Chrome browser, Play Store, Temple Run. So all the games so far have been available in the memory, and finally Asphalt 9. So again both have kept the games in the memory. So you can see that memory management has been one of the strong points of the OnePlus Oxygen OS. So here also you can see the memory management is stellar on both the devices, and both were able to retain all the apps in the memory. So you can clearly see that the OnePlus Nord is slightly faster in terms of app opening time. Again, once again, this is not a completely accurate test, just a reference test in case you want to see how the performance is. So app opening is slightly faster on the OnePlus Nord compared to the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. So that's a speed test comparison. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.